Alright, so first of all, I'd like to apologize for the video and audio quality on this. I am recording it on my Samsung smartphone, so yeah, just bear that in mind. But this is a review of the Ducky Shine 2 9008, whatever the hell it's called, keyboard. Now this is the Cherry MX Black with white LEDs, as you can see. Now I also have, I don't know if you can see that, but hold on, let's see. My light's gone. Never mind. Yeah, over there is my Cherry MX Blue. It's the same Ducky keyboard, it's just a Cherry MX Blue with blue lighting. Now, okay, so first of all, there's a huge difference between these two. I didn't think there would be this much of a difference, but there is. Like, for example, the Cherry MX Black is basically like, it feels almost like a regular keyboard, but I don't know. It's like, the keys are hard to push, but they're not that hard to push. Like, I don't understand the whole, like, finger fatigue thing. I mean, I've heard that, and I know that, I mean, I'm not everybody, so I get it, whatever. But I don't get that. The blacks are awesome because you don't get any ghosting, and it's so hard to, like, it's so hard to press a key incorrectly. So, like, if you're not such a great typer, you just type too fast, like, this is perfect. Because I had the blues, and the blues are okay, but it takes a little too, like, it's a little too easy to press the keys, although you do get that little click when you press the keys, so that helps. But I wear headphones most of the time, so, when I'm typing, I can't really hear that anyway. So yeah, the blacks are awesome for typing and gaming. I really can't say anything bad about this keyboard. I mean, you guys probably already know the functions, but like, you've got this, like, where is it? Like this, you've got like this option where it does like pulsing, like that's the pulsing thing, and then you've got thing where you just hit keys, and they light up as you hit them. Which, I don't know why you'd ever want to use that, but there it is. I mean, I suppose if you were at work and it was, bright or whatever, that might look cool. People might ask you about it and you'd be like, yeah, that's my cool keyboard, man. No, mostly, I would advise against that because most people don't give a damn about keyboards. Which is sad, but, it's true. So yeah. In short, this is the best keyboard I've ever used. I bought it for $146 at Tiger Imports. Now that's obviously an import site. They do stuff. They import these, and they sell a lot of them, but they're like always sold out. And I actually bought this one like pretty much on a whim because they're hard to find, and I was just like, you know what? I'm just gonna buy it. So I bought it, and now I have two Duckies. I think I'm going to take the one with the blues to work. I'm going to keep the blacks here because I just really, really like the Cherry MX Blacks. And, all I do is really type at work, so the clicking is nice for the blues. So yeah, in short, the blacks are awesome. I don't know why anybody would get anything else. I've used all the switches, and I love the blacks. But yeah, it comes down to preference, really. But no doubt in my mind, for me, the blacks are the best. Ducky Shine's the best, and end of story. Oh yeah, and if you guys are wondering, that's a Mionix Neos 5000 Pro, or whatever the heck it's called. Yeah, it's a really nice mouse. It's super ergonomic. I'm actually going to get a Phoenix Nasita. I have one on back order. They said they'd be available in like a week and a half. I'm just getting the Nasita because I've heard good things about it, and it's got these really super bright white LEDs, and I think it would look really cool with this keyboard. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching this brief review, and I hope you found it helpful, and yeah, that's all. I hope you guys have a great day. Peace.